And I never trust. I'm gonna get. I'm bleeding. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Mary and I'm Izzy. And today we're gonna be playing our Halloween Wheel of Fate picks our slime ingredients. Challenge. So we played this last year, but we have new stuff on our wheel. Yeah. And we have new ingredients, of course. So we have like makeup, blood, skulls, glitter, paint, glitter, glue, spiders. And then we each have 2 spins. We each have 2 spins for each round. Guys, these are like maybe 2 or 1 years old. The wheels are. So we're gonna get to spin both wheels on each round. Yeah. Except one of them lost a hand, so the skull on here means if picked. Hand is choosing on here, and the skull is choosing on there. So rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Okay. Out of 3. No. Pumpkin, witch, knife. Yeah! Come on. You said no. You said no. I said yeah. You said no. It's out of 3. Pumpkin, witch, knife. Yes. Pumpkin, witch, knife. Okay, I'm gonna choose. Let's spin. What does it say? It says a subject. Glue! Glue! Okay, so I'm gonna choose this black glitter glue. And now I get to spin on this wheel. Bro, just stop until when it stops you can look over. They probably can't see with your curly hair.
Treats will be yours.
Makeup! This is spiders. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have spiders and glue. Mine's going to be... Bro, nobody can see when you do that. I can see and that's what matters. But you don't need to see, Izzy. It's
Beware of the dark.
Hey! Okay, I'm choosing this one. This one. I thought I grabbed this one. It's neon pink. My spin. No. Wait, switch? We have to switch ingredients. Okay. You chose bad ones, bro. Why wouldn't you choose the clear one? That's just okay. Ooh, let me add in this nice neon paint. Glitter glue. Ooh, it's chunky. I hope I get switch again. Because I don't want these spiders. Okay. This is really pretty. I know it. Okay, round 2. Izzy! Oh my god, Mary!
Treats will be yours.
Glue! Okay, you choose this clear one. Let me spin on this one. Bro, let go of it.
Stay close.
Blood! Okay, Izzy, it's this one. It's glue and gland. Oh. Okay, I'll just choose this. My turn. Ah! Wait, can I put this one back? I want to choose this one instead. Glitter! Okay, I'm choosing black glitter. Okay. Put it back, Mary. Move, I can't see.
Beware.
Skulls! Glitter and skulls, guys. Black glitter, guys. All right, well, I'm gonna add my clear glue to my orange paint. Okay, clear glue and the orange glue. And skulls. There we go. All right, my turn. Sorry, I'm gonna I'm gonna spin them both at the same time. Why do we do this? I don't know which one to look at. Don't say it out loud, I wanna be surprised. Who doesn't?
Stay close.
Like makeup and glue. Makeup and glue. Okay. Oh wait, you spin it now. Oh. Grab your things. Oh yeah. Okay. So which one's makeup? Both of these? Is this one makeup? Okay. What is that? Glow in the dark. Yeah. Okay. And for glue, I'm gonna do glue and switch. Oh yeah. Let me see actually. Here you go. Wait, no, it's empty. Here you go. Look. I should have given you the empty one, but I'm being nice. I'll just, boom, that's it. Here you go, adding some glue. And I wanted to add that makeup. Good thing I didn't think of a really good one. That makes you glow in the dark, bro.
No way.
Oh, you're gonna get a rash. I never trust those kinds of makeups, guys. Only trust the fake blood.
That's why I didn't put it on my. That's why I didn't put it on my face. Okay. Someone turn off the lights, please.
Go.
Oh!
It doesn't work on you.
But it works there. Kind of works. See? Well, it worked good in my slime. That's cool. Here you go.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Move, Mary. Okay, don't tell me what they are. Move your hair. It's gonna get caught in that. I hope it's switch.
You better say your future.
Blood and makeup.
Blood and makeup. Okay.
Wait, move.
All right, I'm gonna get this one. Oh, and makeup. I'm gonna get this one.
Watch your back. Don't watch.
Glitter and glue.
Just get glitter glue.
Glitter and some clear glue.
Oh my god, guys. Wait, I'm gonna do the skull's makeup before, so I'm gonna get this sponge and then I'm gonna rub it all over its
Orange glitter. There you go.
Okay. You gotta do that. And now we're just gonna put some lip gloss, and that's it. Lip gloss. Oh, and we don't forget the eyeshadow. I think we're gonna give it green and purple eyeshadow. All right, now I just have to dig this and put it in. So, oh, okay. There's 1, 2, 3, 4.
You should just dig them all out at one time and then put it in.
Give it some hair. Now the blood.
Oh my god! It's like actual, like drippy. Look at that. That's really cool. Wait, let me put this up in the bucket. Boom.
Wait, is this edible? Mary. I'm bleeding. Oh my god. It looks real, huh? Okay.
Oh wait, your turn again.
My turn.
Oh, it says hi.
Oh wait. What will happen if I hold them?
No, don't. I just want to see.
I'm holding them.
Treats will be yours. Better say.
Spiders and switch.
Spiders and switch! Yes! Okay. Oh, I think this
My
is
turn.
low key. Wait, I need my spider.
Give me the spider.
Oh, you just don't get anything this round because you went first.
Beware of the dark.
Paint and glitter.
Glitter and paint. Oh
Shouldn't
man.
I get this?
No.
Because it goes with this slime.
No, because you just went first.
Okay.
Look at this one, guys. Green glitter. That's pretty. More spiders. And more paint. There you go.
We're just
Your turn.
rubbing in his face.
Your turn.
Let's see. Is this the last round? Yes.
Stay close.
Glue?
Treats will be yours.
Glue and glue. Okay. I'm gonna pick these two.
Doesn't look good.
Glitter and skulls.
Yeah, mine is in.
Oh wait, that's the last round. I'm saving this.
Boom.
Boom. Glitter and why not?
Boom.
Purple glitter. Okay. Okay guys, look at it. I don't but glue, but that's okay because Izzy has a lot. Glue activate. I'm not gonna add too much.
Well,
right now.
I'm just gonna mix mine up first. Here's like my glue, what my glue looks like. I had like two metallic glues in here, but it's still orange.
Ah, and I'm finished.
Bruh.
I have a huge clump of glitter and spiders, but it's slime because it had glue. Look.
Let me just activate mine. I don't need a lot of activators.
Quickest I've ever made slime.
Okay guys, we're gonna put my slime on the table now. It's very little.
Oh, another clump.
Oh, okay.
Hey, it's Halloween-y.
Mine's like a pumpkin. It's like the perfect Halloween orange though, guys. And it's very thick for some reason. And I don't even know what I put in that was thick. I even put glitter glue for it to be thick. This is very thick. I think it will make bubbles.
Mine definitely won't make bubbles, guys.
Yours is sad. Yours is a fail. Oh, look at that. It made a baby bubble. But this is really small. Yep. It definitely makes bubbles. Maybe not the best bubbles. But Mary! You just ruined it!
Wow.
You put glitter in it! Let's see if we can poke it. Yeah. It's definitely poppy.
Okay, this is like
Guys,
a scary Halloween mess,
This is
guys.
this is a little sticky, so 1, 2, 3. You have to wait for it to drip down. Oh my god, it took some old slime with it. Oh, let me try that. No. Let me try. Ah! Let me try throw it right in the middle. Alright, I think that's in the middle. Yep. Mary! You're supposed to let it land on the table. Alright, let's see. Boom. Well, bye guys! Then I want it to dry like that. Yeah. Okay, well bye guys! Bye guys!